Go.
Hi, my name is Roy. Today I built a goal kicker. It can kick. It's doing good. It's only this hard.
It's doing so fun.
Okay, how do you...
Roy, why don't you show me how it is working?
Okay. You can kick a ball. And I think I used about 12 pieces. I use a motor and a connector, which is here and here. I like it because it can move. The easy part is to make here, and the hard part is not letting it go that fast and let it break that easy. I don't like it because the part that I don't like, because if you keep on letting it spin, this will fall down.
Roy, is there anything you want to say?